Another cold start. See how this thing does after it's been sitting. It's been having problems with starting. Supposedly I haven't been able to get it to do it yet, but a little frozen. Alright, so the owner said try starting it without the glow plugs this time, so we're just gonna full send it, not wait for the glow plugs at all, see if it starts. Okay, no fire. Try with the glow plugs. Starts right up if you use the glow plugs. So yeah, I think that's the case, Mark. I think you just didn't wait for the glow plugs to be on long enough. Do a little walk around. Runs pretty good. But yeah, 1985 Land Rover Defender, military version. Pretty neat. Only got 172,000 kilometers. So that's probably like 130,000 or something. I don't know. I don't really deal with kilometers. But yeah, she runs good. There we go. Lights off. Alright. See what she does if she starts again. Glow plugs. Fires right up. So yeah, I don't know what to tell you, Mark. I think you just didn't use the glow plugs long enough. That is my conclusion, buddy.